Wow, hello my beloved subscribers. Today we are going to show how to configure DNS. So what is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's an organization that establishes the names and IPs for the router or switches. So we're gonna see how to configure DNS. Basically, DNS depends on the configuration of DHCP, and mainly we are going to configure DHCP array. So this will be our agent. Then are you ready? Let's go to configure DHCP. Then this router, second router, will be the array of this one. So let's go. We are in our router. Then we say IP DHCP excluded address. We're gonna first take 10. Then we start from this network attached, which is 48 and slash of 20.8. So we say 49. We start from gateway. We say 10, 10, 10. Then we till like 51. Then we say, oh, they don't want this 10, 10, 10, 10. How much? Excluded address 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, 10, 10, 49, 10, 10, 51. Then what went wrong? They are not agreeing with this, so we come again. We say IP DHCP excluded address. We say 10, 10, 10. We say 49 up to 10, 10, 10, and 51. Okay, we say again IP DHCP whole name like P. Then we say enter network 10, 10, 10. We are on the network of 48. Then we say it's subnet mask 255, 255, 255. Then we say 240. We enter default router gateway 10, 10, 10, 49. Then we say DNS. Depending on which subnet our server is, it's on subnet of 10, 10, 10, 0. Then we have to set our server with its IP. Let's see, and its IP, we come on desktop. Then we come and set the IP, where we give it static 10, 10, like let's say 2. Then we have to say like 255, 255. Then it is standing on 224 of slash 27. The router gateway 10, 10, 10, 1. Then again we copy its address 10, 10, 10, 2. Then we close and go to continue. We are in this router, then we say DNS will be the IP of server 10, 10, 2. We say okay. We again come and say IP DHCP excluded address 10, 10, 10. We set the one of 64, then we start from 65. 10, 10, 10. Please take the range that you want. You may want to stay on 67. Let me say IP DHCP core. For name we say PP. Then again we set network. Which network? 10, 10, 10, 64. It's subnet mask 255, 255, 255. Then it's on to 48 because it's slash 29. Then we say okay. Default router 10, 10, 10. How much? 65. Okay. Then we reach on, and DNS will be 10, 10, Remember that we say 2. Okay, then we save our configuration. Again, we come and set IP DHCP excluded address 10, 10, 10. How much? We go on 32, or we start from the gateway 10, 10, 10. Then we say alright, 35. Then we say IP DHCP pool name. It's like PLO. Then we say network 10, 10, 10. Network will be 32. It's subnet mask 255, 255. Then it's on 240 because of its /28. Then default router 10, 10, 10. How much? 33. Then we say DNS 10, 10, 10. Remember we are putting the server IP to. We say do right. Again, come the last but not least. Come and set IP DHCP excluded address 10, 10, 10. How much? 1. Say 10, 10, 10, 10. Until like 4. And we say IP DHCP pool. We say PLO like this. We say network 10, 10, 10, 10, 0, and its subnet mask will be this. Then it's standing 1, 2, 2 to 4. Default router gateway 10, 10, 10, 10, 1. Say DNS 10, 10, 10. We say 2. Okay, then we save the configuration. That is. Then we come in the other router. Now we are going to have helper address. We may say, come and say after. Then on each interface, on every interface, we will be having to display the IP automatic. We say int giga 0/1. Here there will be IP helper address of 10, 10, 10. Of just we look on where the gateway will enter in the other router. So we are going to take the gateway of this, and it is 73. So let's keep on 73. Then we save. Again, there is another subnet that will need a helper. You are seeing this will also need a helper. So say on interface giga 0/2 will need IP helper address of 10, 10, 10, sorry, of 10, 10, 73. Then we save. Okay. Now after this configuration, now we finish to configure DHCP relay, and I have said that DNS depends on DHCP. So let's come in the server. This is the server. This is the server. Then we try to open services and find where there is DNS. Then we switch on. We first start on its server as this to keep its IP. Then we just write accordingly 10, 10, 2. We add. After adding, we come and save it. We again say our number 1. This is the gateway on the router of number 1, and basically this is our router and the port number 1. Let's make it as 73. 73. 73. Then I add. Again I save it. Then I say go number 2. then will be the port number 2. I say this is 65, maybe I add it, then I come and save. I say level now 3, then will be 49. I add and I save. Again I come and say Marcel 1 will be this gateway on which will be 74. I add again, I save again. Okay, I come and say this is Marcel. I save and I say Marcel 2 will be like, let's put the router gateway of 1 and save. Then we again come and say router 3, we put router 3, we add and save. Then you may be wanting to specify the pieces names, and you just come and say this is the PC for Marcel. Yes, and this is the PC for colleague or innocent. Okay, then I come and say, can you give me the IP of this machine? I just see on the HCP. So they give me a paper. Can I solve the problem of a paper? Okay. Do show run. Do show run. Okay, now I can come and say no IP root of 0.0.00.0, or just let's say let's test on pinging ping 10 and I say 73 to ping. Then I come and say can you ping 49? Again 49 works. Can you ping maybe 65? Okay, event is pinging. Then what went wrong? Can I get the machine of this, the IP of this machine? I say DHCP right. Now it is working. So what is the problem of this? So let's give a search. Its IP. This is static. Then we appoint on DHCP. Now it is working DHCP. Okay, again we come and check. This is DHCP. And basically it is working. So which this machine? Now I can see this. Okay, now Marcel is 5. And I come and say the machine for Marcel, this is 5. I add, and again the machine for innocent is 10. How much innocent do you have? You have an IP of 6. Okay, I come in 7, then I set 6 and I add. After adding them, now things are working. So I can come in the machine and I check its IP and I try to check the connection between these users. Okay, after getting this, I can ping. Can I be able to ping? Yes, let's test. Can I be able to ping? Yes. IP config. Yes, you see that I